Hello friends, it is my privilege to present you the all-new Skoda Fabia. We believe the new Skoda Fabia will stand out in many ways. To begin with, let me take you through the robust and dynamic exterior design of all-new Skoda Fabia. Let me draw your attention to the elongated headlamps and stretched fog lamp, which gives it an aggressive look. The new Fabia gets a next generation Skoda signature grille, which are wider and bold. It gets complemented with the bonnet, which has masculine lines all over it. The new design of bumper has well-defined creases all across it. The air dam is wider and it also has lip spoiler, which adds to the overall look of the car. The new Skoda Fabia boasts the largest trunk space in the segment. It also has twin-level adjustment parcel tray. This tray covers the compartment completely when it is at level 1, but when you want to put it at level 2, it can also take care of all the light stuff such as the newspaper and magazine and will always be accessible from the passenger cabin. Spacious interiors, supportive seats, and intuitive ergonomics make the Fabia a delight to drive and to be driven in. Since one size does not fit all, the driver's seat and the steering wheel can be fully adjusted to the most comfortable driving position. Most cars have power windows, but the new Skoda Fabia has something more to offer, which is the single touch operation in your power windows, which means at the single touch of the button, your power windows will move up, and at the single touch, it will come down. I had to request my 6 feet tall friend to take the driver's seat to give you an idea about the rear legroom space of new Skoda Fabia. I am more than an average Indian height, but look at this, how comfortably I am still seated in the rear seat of new Skoda Fabia. On top, you have rear air conditioning vents, which provides quick and uniform cooling. Stylish interiors are now finished with high-quality premium chrome elements, which enhance the visual and tactile details of the dashboard. There are many clever storage solutions inside the new Skoda Fabia, such as dual glove box, coat hooks at the rear, storage in center console, bottle holder at the front and rear. With all this, the precision gone into making the new Skoda Fabia is evident. As I promised you before, the new Skoda Fabia will stand out for many reasons. One of the most significant change has happened under the hood. The new 1.2 MPI 75 bhp petrol engine is smooth yet peppy. It has strong low-range pulling power, suiting the cut and thrust of urban traffic. Top of the range will also have new 1.6 MPI 105 bhp petrol engine. This engine will outclass the performance of many notchback cars, giving more thrust to hatchback segment. The new Fabia is also equipped with the 1.2 TDI 75 bhp common rail diesel engine. It will delight to high mileage users with its benchmark low fuel consumption. So let's get behind the wheels and see how these engines perform in the real world. The new Skoda Fabia inherits trademark Skoda suspension, giving it confident and comfortable drive on all kind of roads. It has 5-speed manual transmission. Gear shift is characterized by short and exact travel, making it completely effortless to drive. Communicative steering wheel progressively builds up with weight and feel as the speed increases, making it a pleasure to drive in heavy traffic of the city to high-speed cornering on the highways. ABS, engine braking control, and dual rate brake assist combine to make sudden braking safer and also reduce the stopping distance. Front fog lamps improve visibility in poor weather conditions, and the rear fog lamps improve noticeability of the car to other motorists. Safety is not an option. All variants of new Skoda Fabia are equipped with an airbag, while as the top-end variant has dual airbags. For added security, advanced immobilizer ensures that the floating port is changed every time the ignition key is removed from the slot. So I hope you enjoyed exploring the new Skoda Fabia with me.